Joe Ruckmans Welding, Fabrication, and Repair. Installation and fabrication setup of roller gate with 2-point button clicker for each gate, keypad with call box to house, and drive over in-ground sensor on the inside. There's the opening. We have 2 photo eyes for safety and edge sensors so nobody can be crushed between gates. Edge sensor on each side of the gate with wireless transmitter at the bottom. Photo eye stopped it. Anything goes in front of photo eye, it will hold open, not to crush anybody. And gate closing.